How to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. And there to learn about how to use these platform in order for you to be able to sell your products. So first thing, you can open up the platform for CJ Dropshipping. You just need to type in on your browser cjdropshipping.com. Then you can go ahead and either sign in if you already have an account or click on register. You also need to open your Shopify account ahead of time as well. So for us to begin, since I already have an account here, what I'll do is I'll be signing in into my CJ Dropshipping account. And here I'll just need to input my email address and my password. Type in my password here and then click on next. And now you have successfully logged in into your CJ Dropshipping account. So what you need to do here is to go to your My CJ. That's on the uppermost corner of the website here. When you click on it, you will be routed into this page where you will be able to manage your store and your products. So what you need to do, we need to connect our Shopify to our CJ Dropshipping first. So what we need to do is go on the left side panel, we need to look for store authorization and then click on Shopify. Once we click on Shopify, you will be routed into another page here where you just need to click on Add Store. And then just close this one and then go ahead and click on Authorize. These are the steps on how you process the authorization, but you can go ahead and click on Authorize. That's on the lower right corner of the box. When you click on it, you will be routed to Shopify App Store. You just need to click on Add App. And then wait for it to load up, and then you can go ahead and click on Install App. That's on there, beside the word cancel. Here, so you can just click on Authorize. This is just to confirm that you authorize CJ Dropshipping to connect with Shopify. And as you can see, the authorization was successful. And now we can list products, and then this will automatically be connected to your Shopify account. Here, so what you need to do now is go to My CJ. And as we look back into the store authorization, you can see that my Shopify store is now active. So you can go to My CJ on the left side panel of the screen, and then you can go ahead and go to product list. Under product list, what you need to do is click on add product. That's located there. And then you will be choosing what product you wish to add into your store. So in this case, I'll be choosing this bag here. So what we will do here first is once you are routed under this page, you need to scroll down and there are a lot of buttons that you can choose. So what you need to do is click on connect first. When you click on connect, you will need to link the product or sync the product into your Shopify store, and you'll also need to link it to one of the products that you have. Make sure that the store you will be syncing the product to is Shopify. And then you can get and click on connect. So what you do here is click on pin on one of the tabs of a product, and then you can connect it to the CJ Dropshipping product that we will be connecting it to. So here, what you'll need to do is just click on the product and then click on the existing product on your online store for us to link and connect these two products here. So you can click on the bag from CJ Dropshipping and then click another item that's on the Shopify account. Once done, you can go ahead and click on next. And now this has been successfully connected. What we will do is go back to the page where there are product information. And then if you remember, under the products beside the word connector is the word list. So we need to edit the listing as well for the product so that it will be successfully put it into our online store. As you can see, it does not show yet here on our online store, or it has not been activated yet. As you can see, it only shows the existing product that has been linked into the fanny pack that we have. So what we'll do is go back to CJ Dropshipping where we found the product. Here on Shopify as well, you will be able to see that it does not, or it is not yet linked with the new product that we had. So normally the product should be seen on our online store here that was made on Shopify. So for us to make sure that this will be added, what you just need to do is go back to the home page here where you saw the product and click on list just beside the word connect along with the rest of the buttons. And then here you need to modify a few informations, whether you can modify the prices to make sure that you have a great profit. And you also need to modify the product listing as well to make sure that you have enough stock for your store that you will be selling. Once done, you can just click on edit listing, or you can click on list it now or click on edit product listing. You can edit the name of the product, the description, the image, on what image you wish to add and include into your online store that's on Shopify. You can even choose what variety of the product that you want to include or exclude. And you can also modify the shipment process as well. So here on the topmost portion, you need to make sure that it should be under a Shopify store. And then here, you can review on the images if you are satisfied with it. So once you're done, you can just click on list it now. Here, when you click on list it now, you can see that the product is now pending. So on your product listing or purchase list, you just need to click on list it now. That's along the tab. Just need to wait for it to load up. And here you'll be able to see the products. You can click on edit the listing, or you can go ahead and make sure that everything is filled out along with the pricing and the quantity of the product as well. Just need to make sure that everything is filled out, so you can actually have the option here to click on recommend listing price, and then it automatically provides you on how much profit you'll be able to get. And then here you can click on list it now and wait for CJ Dropshipping to load. And there you have it. Now you have successfully listed a product onto your CJ Dropshipping, and when you click on View Store, it will be available where you'll be able to view it under Shopify as well. See, as you can see on my product list on Shopify, it's already included. So you can also view the product on my website. There it is. This is the online store that I created through Shopify. And that's the end of the video. That's how you use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.